In first-order logic in AI, inference involves drawing conclusions from a set of premises using logical rules. This can include techniques like resolution, forward chaining, backward chaining, and theorem proving to derive new knowledge or validate existing beliefs within a knowledge base. Here are some short applications of inference in first-order logic. 1. Medical diagnosis. Using first-order logic, medical experts can encode knowledge about symptoms, diseases, and patient data to infer possible diagnosis based on observed symptoms and medical history. 2. Intelligent tutoring systems. Inference can be used to personalize learning paths for students by analyzing their performance, knowledge, and learning objectives encoded in a first-order logic knowledge base. 3. Natural language understanding. Inference helps in parsing and understanding natural language sentences by deducing the meaning of ambiguous terms or resolving syntactic structures using logical rules. 4. Robotics. Inference assists robots in making decisions based on sensory data and knowledge about their environment, such as navigating obstacles or planning optimal paths. 5. Automated planning. First-order logic inference can be used to generate plans or strategies for accomplishing tasks in domains like logistics, scheduling, or resource allocation by reasoning about goals and actions.